sometimes I feel, what would Mahatma Gandhi say if he was here together with us in today's days? But then I thought, whatever he would say was less important than how he would have acted, what he would have done in the age of internet, in the age of artificial intelligence and things like that. I wonder what he would have done. If we give a little bit of thought, we will see that his idea of non-violence actually worked at 3 levels. One was human to human. Another was human to non-humans, animal world and things like that. And the third was to nature, how we treat our nature. And in all these aspects, his message would have been almost the same as he did almost 100 years ago. I'm glad that we can take certain lessons from the life and works of Mahatma Gandhi. I'll also like to announce that today is not only the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, but also the birth anniversary of our second Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri, which we very fondly remember every year.
Gandhiji's message, and he said, people who are furthest left behind should be brought up for real development and progress of society. Gandhiji was perhaps one of the greatest advocates and visionaries of sustainable development for humanity. And His Excellency Ambassador has also shared with us his thoughts on sustainable development, which resonate totally with Gandhian philosophy. I'm hardly alone among my international colleagues in the UN in recognizing the importance of the legacy Gandhi left behind for the world. Indeed, the United Nations commemorates every October 2nd as the International Day of Nonviolence. Let's remember to embrace bravery and reject cowardice. His was not a call to arms. It was a call to peace, the strongest, clearest, and most urgent clarion there is.
I would like to request all the esteemed guests to please join Madam and Ambassador Bharti.